Hi, this is Jim at Horne Auto, the Chevy store that saves you more. Hey, let's talk about winter. Winter is right around the corner. I know that we're into September, but winter's knocking on the door. How do I know that? Let's take a look at Mother Nature and what she did this summer with the monsoon season. Wow, did she pack a nice monsoon season? The best monsoon season I think we've had in here for a long time. So if that's any indication of what's to come, oh man, it's time to get your car ready for the winter. And what I mean by that, check your wiper blades. Not only your front wiper blades, but check that little back one in the back, because so many people get snow that falls down in the back. You need to clear that to see what's going on behind you. So check your wiper blades. Another good thing to check is make sure your tires are so important through the winter. Make sure you have plenty of tread. If not, now's the time to get into Horne and get those tires replaced, get the front end aligned. Check your cooling system. It's important that that cooling system is at the proper protection, like -25. I mean, we do get cold up here in the mountains. So remember, not only is it important to change the oil on your car and do certain maintenance as every 5,000 miles, but also you have to think of the seasons. And the seasons, we go through all the seasons here, but one of the most important seasons up here is winter, because everybody knows we can get hit hard. So hey, come on down and see me. My name's Jim. I'm at Horne Auto, the Chevy store that saves you more.